good is it?
1,000 good.
In my last video, my husband and I ripped out the bedroom windows to repair some leaks. We reinserted the windows with fresh butyl tape and covered the back so the caulking could cure. And after we treated the fungal growth with some bleach and boric acid, we fixed the walls and roof damage by covering it in plywood. I helped my husband cut plywood for the ceiling into planks, and then I stained it a dark blue to prepare it to be a night sky with glowing star stickers. This tool is used to insert the spline to hold the screen in your windows, and my husband likes to frequently word bomb my videos.
Go farty in here or what?
Maybe just a little.
Thanks, honey. After renewing old window screens throughout the Winnie, I finished the bedroom by applying white peel and stick brick over the plywood, which I painted white. Our highest priced reno item was replacing the windshield. It cost us over $4,000 to replace, but it was necessary to pass inspection to get it registered, and the likely culprit of why a vintage 1986 Winnebago with only 150,000 kilometers sold for only $5,000.
Hey, coming out of the rain, come take a look at our renos.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Oh, here it comes.
Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day. But I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay.